Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get official Google apps in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link. And after that you will see here download app option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can see here the welcome screen. So you need to sign in with your Google account here firstly. So once you have signed in, you will get some instructions here. So you can click on next or you can click on skip, and here you can see a shortcut key to launch the Google search by pressing the Alt and Space key on your Windows computer keyboard. Click on next, click on next, click on next. So here you can select the Google Drive, or just you can search the local files also. So just disable it right now. Click on done. So now you can see here the Google app is showing up. So you can type anything to search, and here you can see a Google Lens also. So let me search something. So it's working perfectly, as you can see here. It's showing the details. So you can use the microphone also. If you want to use your microphone, then just click on this microphone, click on allow. And once again, click on this microphone again. Write a poem for me. So you can see here, it's working perfectly using the voice also. So once you click on this close button, then it will get closed. And in order to open this Google applications, just press Alt and Space key on your Windows computer keyboard in order to launch the Google app. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get official Google apps in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.